custom furniture. All of this has been blackened and then will be clear coated. 2 custom coffee tables, and this is a table leg. I believe these table legs are for the George. Handmade furniture. carbondesigns.com. That's carbondesigns.com to order you some custom furniture. And remember to use the code yourweldingcoach. Those turned out so good, fam. I'm not even gonna lie. And this one right here really was a challenge for me. You see, we have to put some time in the way we mold this and fit this. So it's not real easy molding these. But as you put the work in, it turns out pretty good, fam. These 2 coffee tables are not on the website right now. They took them down so we can catch up. They're probably gonna put these back on there, but these 2 are not on the website. So if you go on carbondesigns.com, you won't see these 2 as of now, but we're working on a couple more designs, and they're probably gonna bring these back in the future. I don't know as of now. These are real nice. And this is a fire pit right here. So we still got a couple things to do to those. Custom furniture, family. Tabletops. This is a conference table, I'm sorry. The big ones. We got the desk, the conference tables, and the dining tables. So it all depends on what you're looking for. But we'll build custom furniture. Springdale, Arkansas. It's gonna be hard to find something like this. Handmade designs. Here go one of our craftsmen. All go.